Hello friends. Welcome to the 25th episode of #backlinks. In today's video I will tell you about a guide that will help you to increase the authority of your website and increase your SERP ranking. The name of this guide is Daily Link Building Guide, which provides you with 4 months link building technique. This guide is based on a 3-tier link building strategy that will generate authority and pass page rank to your website. Every week you have to create 2 tier 1 backlinks for 6 days and create 4 tier 2 backlinks on 7th day. And at the end of the month, 30th day, you have to create 1000 plus tier 3 backlinks. SEO metrics of all the backlinks are also given so that you can get an idea of its strength. Right proportion of dofollow and nofollow backlinks has been maintained so that all these backlinks look natural to Google and the authority of your website continues to increase. In this easy-to-use guide, there is a Create Backlink button, clicking which will take you directly to the site where you can create the backlink. In How to Create, you will be given all the instructions on where and how to create a backlink. If the video of that backlink is already made, then the link of that video will be given, by watching which you will be able to easily create a backlink on that website. This guide is based on drip feed technique that will help your website to achieve long-lasting results. Created by collecting quality backlinks from across the categories, this guide will diversify your link building profile and help you increase your website's ranking in search engines. In the initial phase, I created a 2-month guide and shared it with a few people for testing purposes. All the people who have followed this guide have given me positive feedback. That's why I'm compiling it and making a guide of 4 months, sharing it with you so that this guide can give you the required results even in highly competitive niches. Along with this, I have introduced another feature that is called Backlink of the Day, where I will share one backlink with you on a daily basis. That backlink will be accompanied by its SEO metrics, and step-by-step instructions to create it will also be provided. If you use it along with Daily Link Building Guide, then your website's domain authority will increase very quickly. Lastly, I will also organize an interactive do's and don'ts session where I will provide you tips related to link building, how to find backlinks, how to segregate backlinks as tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. I will discuss all the topics. If you want to avail all these features, then you can visit www.seekourwayout.com, take a subscription according to your requirements and niche competition. Basic subscription is available at $6, standard at $10 and premium at $14. It's a full-fledged SEO tutorial for every beginner who has just started to learn SEO. If you have any questions related to this guide and subscription, then feel free to hit me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. That's all for today. See you in the next video with 5 new backlinks.